Welcome to BKSS Academy. We will discuss now binomial coefficient through dynamic programming. As we have known, x plus y the whole cube is equal to x cube 3x square y plus 3xy square plus y cube. Here I am getting the coefficient 1, here I am getting the coefficient 3, this one is 3 and this one is 1. So how it is happening? There is a formula, that is CNR, which is equal to, we can tell it as NCR, that is also in computation that will be equal to factorial of n minus r factorial multiplied by r factorial, and we can also tell it as CNR is equal to n minus 1 c r minus 1 plus c n minus 1 r. We will prove it first. And another concept is there where the Cn0 is equal to Cnn is equal to 1. This is the principle. This is the principle of the binomial coefficient. So from here we will calculate the binomial coefficient of any kind of binomial equation. So what my algorithm is telling, binomial coefficient is n of r if r is equal to 0 and r is equal to n, return 1. Else return binomial coefficient of n minus 1 r minus 1 plus binomial coefficient of n minus 1 r. So going to one example C52, that is 5 C2, it is 5 factorial divided by 3 factorial, n minus r is equal to 3, 5 minus 2 is equal to 3 into 2 factorial. So it will be 5, 4, 3 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 2 factorial. Then 5 into 4 divided by 1 into 2, that is 10. Another thing we have to prove, that CNR is equal to n minus 1 c r minus 1. What my equation is given here, plus n minus 1 c r. This is 10. It is already given here. This one is 10. Okay, this is 10. So that implies 10 is equal to n minus 1, that is 4 c r minus 1, 1. 2 minus 1 is 1 plus n minus 1, 4 c r is equal to 2. So we will calculate here 4 factorial divided by 1 factorial into 4 minus 1, 3 factorial plus 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial, 4 minus 2 is equal to 2 factorial, and r is equal to 2 factorial, that is equal to 4 into 3 factorial divided by 3 factorial plus 4 into 3 into 2 factorial divided by 2 factorial. So 3 factorial, 3 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 factorial. And this is 2 factorial. Okay, so 4 plus 4 into 3 divided by 1 into 2, that is 2, that is equal to 10. So 10 is equal to 10. So this formula is proved. Okay, in this dynamic programming we are going to use how it is happening in the dynamic programming. So first we have to calculate, suppose C52, suppose C52. So what will be my two branches? That will be C41, C41, C42. That is binomial coefficient. Similarly, this will be C30, C31, and this one will be C31, C32. Similarly, in this way this tree structure will go on. By using the binomial coefficient, we have to find out in a tabulation format. So what will be my answer? I will find out from this table. This side is R and this side is N. When I am going for, I have to give 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This was is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. I will draw the 5 cross 5 matrix here. By using that formula, I will calculate the answer. So when we are getting everywhere the index of both sides 0, 0, it will be 1, 0, 0 will be 1, and 1, 1 will be 1, 2, 2 will be 1, 3, 3 will be 1, 4, 4 will be 1, 5, 5 will be 1. And another formula is there, that wherever it is 1, you fill it with 1. Look at here, when R is equal to 0, when R is equal to 0, so fill it with 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, so we will calculate CNR. We will calculate this one, this one I will calculate C21. So my formula is telling that it will be 2 factorial divided by 1 factorial divided by a 2 into n minus r factorial, that is again 1 factorial. No, that will be 2 factorial, that is 2. That is 2. Okay. So what my calculation is telling, according to this formula, n minus 1, my calculation is C21 is equal to, look at this formula, Cn minus 1 r minus 1, C21 n minus 1, n minus 1 1, 2 minus 1, n minus 1 and r minus 1, r minus 1 is equal to 0 plus C n minus 1 1 r is equal to 1. So I will calculate from here. So C10 it is 1 plus C11 it is 1. So by adding these two, just upper box and its left box, I am getting this result. So when I will find out this result, so I will calculate this box plus this box, it will be 3. When I will calculate this box plus this box, it will be 3. Similarly, when I will calculate this C41, then I will calculate this box plus this box. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4, and this one will be 3 plus 3 is will be 6, and this one will be 1 plus 3 will be 4. Similarly, when I am wanting to get 51 point, then I will calculate 40 plus 41, that will be 4 plus 1 will be 5. When I will calculate 52, so these two box will be added. When I will calculate 53, so these two box will be added. When I will calculate 54, these two box will be added, and these are the coefficient according to these coordinate points in the binomial equation. Thank you. Take care.